Hi there, guys and girls. Good evening to each and every one of you. Just got finished watching Mufasa. What's this? I thought somebody's make some quarrels. It's ano. Okay. Just got finished watching this one. Um, all I can say is splendid, beautiful, amazing, fast-paced, everything on it that you want to expect, above expectations, guys and girls. I really love this movie. Speechless. Nothing to throw in every scenes that you have. Almost 2 hours. And guys, sorry, I can't speak that much. I have some. What's this? Uh, open source. Anyway, before we continue, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that you gave, wonderful blessings, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. And I am so very grateful. And to all my first viewers, to all my lovely countries, hold on, I forgot. To each and every one of you, okay? Guys, just to give you some trivia about this Lion King. This was being shown sometime in 1990. Hold on. 1996 or 1995 if I'm not. No, 1994 or 1995. Almost 30 years ago. Is it right? 94, 2004, 2001. Yeah, almost 30 years ago. And the first one is the Lion King cartoon cartoon type of a movie, animated. Sorry. And then after some few years they had the Lion King 2, and I think there's a Lion King 3, and then there's a revival after, for how many decades, 2014 or I forgot, please correct me if I'm wrong. And then that during that time Beyonce also on the movie, and then she's also here. I forgot the other artists because I think they are newcomers. And what I have remembered while I'm inside, Danny Glover, if I'm not mistaken, and Seth Rogen. So, guys, please correct me if I'm wrong. This is some kind of amazing. The shots, the forest, the mountains, the so fantastic. The what's that? It's like a what's this kind of being fantastic place? Just like a fairy tale. Fairy. No. What's this called? The place that you can call you're in a fantasy land. Fantasy land. So, and then it's really like all of them looks like a real animals. The way they speak and the flows of the water, the waterfalls, the trees, the birds, all the animals looks like real. And even the how they interact with one another, the camera, how the camera moves, it's some kind of a great. And I also love the what's that? I love everything in here, guys and girls. So if I were you, please watch this one. It's still showing, and I think there will be a another part for this movie. And then there are lots of more lessons, lots of taglines, and lots of quotable quotes. I do remember the quotes in here, like if you doubt, you will never see the conclusion, or if hold on, if you are in doubt, you will never see. I forgot. If you are in doubt, if you will doubt, you will never see the problem, or oh gosh, something to that effect. Hold on, please give me some time. If you will in doubt, you will see nothing. Now I remember. If you are in doubt, you will see nothing. And then there's another one. Uh, hold on, please give me some time. Oh gosh, I forgot. Sorry. Next time I'm gonna jot it down. But you know what, guys? Please watch for this one. Amazing, fantastic, and then you will clap at the end of the movie. And there's a funny scenes here. I keep on laughing, especially with this graffiti. What's this? Who's this graffiti? Oh my gosh. So the story, and then it's also a story of betrayals, friendship, and then forgiveness and trust, and don't doubt yourself, and uh, unpredictable scenes. And then the story goes how Mufasa became a king, although we've already known from the start, but they just want to give it another life for Mufasa and for the moviegoers to reminisce once again about this movie. So guys and girls, I will not take so much of your time, but you can watch for this one, okay? Bye. Thank you for watching. Above expectations, expect unexpected. Thank you. Bye.